Your baby's first doctor's appointment takes place 3 to 5 days after birth. It can be exciting and nerve-wracking. Here's what to expect regarding paperwork, meeting the doctor, and more. When scheduling the appointment, ask for the least busy part of the day or whether there are specific time slots for seeing newborns. Expect the visit to take up to 20 minutes, though wait times will vary. Since the doctor will examine your baby's entire body, dress them in simple clothing that is easy to put on and remove. Also, don't forget to bring a change of clothes, extra diapers, wipes, feeding supplies, and other necessities. You will have some paperwork to fill out, so remember to pack your insurance card, information about your baby's discharge weight, and if there were any complications during the pregnancy or birth. If provided to you, bring your baby's discharge paperwork. You will also need to fill out your family's medical history. If attending the appointment with another person, send them inside first to fill out the paperwork while you wait in the car or outside with your baby. This limits exposures to germs that might compromise their immature immune system. If this isn't feasible and you must sit in the waiting room, have your baby face the corner. The first part of your appointment will be with the nurse or medical assistant. They will weigh your naked baby on a scale, extend their limbs for measuring height, and use a tape measure to determine head circumference. They will also measure your baby's vital signs. Next, you'll meet your pediatrician or family physician, who will examine your baby's head, neck, collarbone, hips, reflexes, pulse, genitalia, and other organ systems. The doctor will also ask for information regarding your baby's feeding patterns and output, so you should have a general idea of how often, how long, and how much your baby is eating, as well as how often you are changing your baby's diaper each day. Your baby's doctor will cover a lot of ground during their first appointment. They are there to support you and your baby, so don't be afraid to ask your doctor to repeat or clarify information if needed.